Hello music producers. Today we will be learning about how to make mashups in FL Studio with stock plugins. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, set the tempo of your project. I have set it to 106. Now start with adding a melodic chord progression. Then add some magic of pads. Add a powerful bass. Then add some good vibing snaps. To make your drop more interesting, add an intense buildup. Now let's make a good drum pattern.